Friends, a very good evening to all of you. Hello. Uh, I just wanted to have a uh, small talk with you before I could launch my channel. As I have already informed you, I'll be launching my channel. Uh, Friends, it has been a very tough year. 2020 has been a really tough year for all of us. We all know that, some of us uh, were sitting at home doing nothing. Some of us were wondering what to do. It was like that. 2020 for everyone, 2020 was like that. Even I suffered a lot. I suffered a lot. Initially, even online classes were not a feasible option. Uh, I mean, all the doors were closed. So simply sitting at home for 6 months and thinking what to do. And finally, this year when things took off, when things took a turn, I decided I'll launch my own channel, a YouTube channel, and through that I will interact with you. I will pick up topics which are relevant to the current scenario. That's what I have decided. Of course, it will be technical topics which will be picking up, and I would love suggestions from you all. As always, as you have been with me for so many years, I hope the same thing will continue in future also. You'll be there for me. You will interact with me. You will let me know where I'm going wrong. So that this was just an impromptu video which I thought I'll just shoot and share with you, so that we can at least have an interaction before I actually go on and launch the video with all all those kind of you can say decoration, this, that. So I thought it will be a simple video through which I'll give a message to you. um, I'll just tell you one thing. It's not that it's all there in the mind. It's simply a mental thing. I'll just give you a small example of that. You know, this is a story you might have read somewhere, maybe, but still, then I thought it will be relevant to share this story with you. There was a man. It was in old days. It was maybe 100 years ago, or something like that. A man who was selling donkeys. Okay, he used to take his donkeys uh, to places where donkeys are sold. You call them these weekly markets and all this. He used to go there. He used to sell his donkeys and make a living. Once he uh, set up with 4 donkeys to sell them. He went with those donkeys uh, to another village. The village was a bit far up from his place, so he started off. By night, he had reached a place from where that weekly market was another maybe 3-4 hours journey. Since it was night, he decided he will stay there at night, and in the morning, early morning, he will again start and go to his destination. So what he did is he simply went for a dharmasala. Dharamsala, in old days there used to be those places where these travelers used to stay for night. They used to call it a dharamsala. So he went there, and what he did is he saw a tree over there. He thought, I'll just get into the dharamsala, take rest over there. A tree was there. Uh, with that tree, he tied his. He started tying the donkeys with that tree. Unfortunately, what happened is he had only 3 ropes. So he could only tie 3 of them. Okay. The fourth one, he didn't have a rope. So what to do? What he will do? He went into the dharamsala, asked the dharamsala people to give him a rope. They didn't have a rope. They said we are sorry, we don't have a rope. So he came back. He was worried. Within that time, what he saw was a fakir who was sitting over there, who was looking at him. Uh, he he was sitting just in front of that dharamsala. He was watching this person tying all these donkeys with the tree. He asked him what happened. The man said, Baba, I tied 3 of my donkeys to this tree. I'll take rest here in this uh, dharamsala, but I don't have a rope to tie the 4th one. So what to do? How should I? The fakir said, don't worry, do one thing, go over there. You have already tied the 3 donkeys over there. Go to the 4th one, just pretend in the same way that you are tying him, like taking that rope, putting it over his neck and putting it to the tree. Do that, just act like you are tying him. So the person did that, and then the fakir said, don't worry, now you go, you take rest, and in the morning come back. He went inside. In the morning when he came, all his donkeys were there. So he was happy, quite happy. He went to the fakir and told him, great, you have solved my problem. But how come I have not tied this 4th one? How come he is still there? The fakir said, look, you tied 3 of them. You acted in the same way as if you were tying him. The donkey saw that, so he thought he is tied. He never even tried to, imagine that he was not tied. All right. So just imagine, it was all there in the mind only. Okay. Why I told you this small story is, remember, this applies for life also. This applies for all of us. Maybe we are tired somehow in our mind, saying, "Okay, this is our limitation. We can't go beyond this." So let's get away from this limitation. What I've decided is I'll be picking up topics which will be maybe sometimes the topic will be general, maybe sometimes the topic will be something special. But what I have decided is I'll go ahead and make those type of videos which in variety. I'll not just stick to one a single type. I'll make videos with variety. Variety in the sense I'll pick up topics from different domains. IT, of course, it will be mostly IT related, but sometimes it might be as I said, a topic which will be indirect, a topic which might be direct. And some of you suggested to me saying you will be reading languages, C++, Java, Python. Let me tell you, those things you have already mastered. You all are good at all those things. But anyway, I'll try my best. Sometimes I'll pick up those topics also for you, only for your sake. Okay. So let's do it, friends. And as I have told you already, I will be informing you in details on Facebook about my videos, my links. And some of you I can directly, whom I have got the numbers and all this, I will directly send the links. And those I don't have the number, I'll post it on Facebook, the link you can follow. And please subscribe, please like, please subscribe, please encourage me, so that and of course your suggestions, they are welcome. Please go ahead with your suggestions also. Hope this small introduction you would like. Thank you so much. See you soon, and wait for my message on Facebook. Till then, take care. Bye.